All right, rotating my tires and just found this tire. So you can see right there, still quite a bit of tread left, but there is a nail. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this, and that's gonna save quite a bit of money because we're not gonna have to replace the entire tire. So let's look at the tools that we need. It's right here. We need to pull out the nail, also patch it with the plug. All of this is pretty cheap. I'll put a link down in the description below from Amazon, but again, it's going to save us some money. Okay, so you can hear the air coming out. Going to go ahead and pull this nail out. Okay, so we're going to take our tool and basically just move the tool up and down in the hole, and what you're doing is getting the tire ready to be able to take the plug. So if you want to do that a few times, just go back and forth. Make sure you're cleaning it out well enough to take the plug. So you have your tool, and there's a split opening in the center. So you're taking the plug and centering it, so pull it in. And we're actually going to now stick this inside the hole in the tire, and this is going to bend and plug in where that hole is. So go ahead and start with a little bit of the rubber cement there. Okay, so we have most of it in. Still need to go in a little bit more before it's pulled out. So let's go ahead and get the rest of it in. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and remove the tool, and the plug will fill the hole. Okay, you're going to take a sharp knife or a razor and just cut out the last remaining bits. Keep it even on the tire. And you can see the tire is patched. So this is where our hole was, and the tire is patched. You can just use a hammer lightly kind of tap that last bit in, spread it out. So we're going to go ahead and fill this back up with air, and we shouldn't hear any of the hissing from earlier. So you can see right there, the PSI is up, air is filled. Let's make sure that there isn't any air leaking. Okay, so the last bit is to spray some water, because if it's not plugged, you'll see the air pushing it up. But you can see right there, everything is patched. There's no leaking. So we can stick this back on and we are good to go. I'll put a link down in the description below for the tire repair kit, as well as the air compressor and the spray bottle.